The Dollar General penny list for March 10th, 2020 is here. Remember, do not ask Dollar General employees about the Dollar General penny list. This week, there is 20 items on the penny list, so this will make for a great shopping haul. If you haven't been penny shopping yet, this is your opportunity. And here is the penny list. Whoop, whoop. We got candy and vitamins and so much more. Also, for the full penny list and previous week's penny list, check out the description box below. Don't forget to download the free Yes We Coupon app, available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, so you get notified as soon as the penny list is released. Also, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the hot deals. See you next time!